everyone! Some Disney Toys here, and today I'm super excited to bring you another Baby Alive set. This one's called Play and Style Christina. This set comes with 5 accessories we can play with. And this cool hair blow dryer. You can try it out before even opening the box. Here's the back of the box. I can't wait to do her hair. Alright, let's get her out of here so we can start playing. This just slides right out. First we have a hair clip. Ooh, and a heart-shaped hairbrush. And another hair accessory. And clip-on extensions. Here's our blow dryer. And of course, Christina. I love her little outfit. She kind of looks like a little rocker chick. Okay, first things first, let's brush her hair. It's pretty cool that she has some pink highlights already. Let's brush all the tangles out. And now we'll try a braid. So to braid her hair, we split up a section into 3 parts. And then we weave it around each other. Braiding hair is actually really easy. Do you guys know how to braid hair? This is looking really good with her pink highlights. Now we'll use the green clip to hold it in place. Nice! I think that looks really pretty. And for this side, let's use the hot pink attachment. Now we'll blow dry her hair. And we'll use the brush while doing this, so her hair is extra sleek. One last touch. She definitely looks like she's ready to go to some rock concert. Who knows, maybe she's even the performer. If that's the case, she better practice. Okay, Christina, here's your mic. Now let's see your moves. Woohoo, you're awesome! Well, this set was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.